are in Belgrade Prince Aviation facility, and I will be bold to say Center of Excellence of Business Aviation, serving more than 100 customers over the years. We are a unique center of excellence that can provide A to Z solutions for the customers and make their operations seamless. This year hosting CMIG, Citation Interest Group Annual Summit. We bring today in Prince Aviation in a Belgrade facility some of the most known names in our industry. This group of individuals choose Belgrade as one of uprising stars in Southeastern Europe, and we recognize need to be connected with our end users across the industry, bringing them about luxury and business aviation as a need and something what is as well a dream.
The Prince Aviation is a really good option for the Mustang aircraft owners, especially having in mind that Prince Aviation is the holder of more than 11 OEM authorizations. This brings the confidence and the trust of the aircraft owners that when they bring the aircraft to us, they will be served on the OEM level, having fulfilled all their needs.
Thanks for having invited us to your facility. It's our first time in Belgrade. We're absolutely amazed by the facility that you have here. So CMIG stands for Citation Mustang Interest Group. The idea was to unite Citation Mustang owners and have a bigger presence in the general aviation market. This year we have been invited on behalf of Prince Aviation to hold our meeting in Belgrade. With you having been given a great facility tour, look behind the scenes, which was very impressive, and especially to see with the latest technology that you're working with, especially when it comes to tooling. In my opinion, that was the greatest part of the tour.
I think that this event is a fabulous one. So we are very glad that we are able to host this event today and that we are able to talk in person with all those people, exchanging the ideas and finding the solutions.